plan. However, everything is guaranteed. So at the same plan, we are going to discuss the key advantages. All you know that there is no changes in the key advantages. The guaranteed maturity benefits remains the same, which is sum assured plus guaranteed addition. Uh, the plan is a limited premium payment term option. So now we have come up with a new PT PPT combination as well. So now, as compared to earlier, now you may see some other addition, like other market may in you may have seen the other companies are coming with a different PT PPT combination as well. So we have introduced all those PT PPT combinations you may see in our eligibility criteria. Uh, Loan option, it was earlier there. There is no change. So loan is available, and that guarantee addition, it's completely depending upon the age at entry, policy term, and premium payment term. And there was always a flexibility to change the premium payment form mode from yearly to half yearly and monthly, maybe from preferably to do after second years, because first year we should advise to take a annualized premium. If someone wanted to take this plan, any customer who is having a thought process to buying the plan, maybe for the retirement or maybe for children education, maybe for buying property, what they need to follow the steps. They need to decide the premium amount, how much premium they wanted to pay. Multiply with 10 is the guaranteed sum assured. Now, the sum assured 10 times is applicable for death as well. Sum assured on maturity. However, on maturity, there is a guaranteed addition also. Then customer needs to decide what are the policy term he or she wanted to take, and what premium payment term customer wanted to choose. So now we have added two premium policy term option here. We'll see the next slide, and we have also added one more PPT option in this. So this can be perfectly flexibilities depending on customer's choice. They may choose to buy the plan. The minimum entry age remains the same, 18 to 55, and the maximum entry age, maximum maturity age, there is no change. Maximum the plan should get mature at 65 years. There is no change. However, the policy term we have, where the policy term 10 years, then premium payment term was 7 years. Now it has been restricted to only 50 and 55 years of age customer, which means if some customers below 10, below 18, below 20, 30, 35, they cannot take this option, as this option is available only if the customer age, life to be assured age between 50 to 55. This is not available for any other whose age is below 55, below 50 years. What we have introduced is a 15-year policy term. Earlier it was 5, 7, 10, 12. Now we have introduced 8 years ka PPT, which earlier it was not there. Since the market, many of the companies is having the same, and it was a lucrative option. We have introduced 5, 7, added 8, and 10 and 12 also. So now if some customers choosing 15 years policy and say that I wanted to pay for 7 years, I wanted to get the maturity at 15 year, its option is allowed. In addition to 7, 8 years is also allowed. So earlier it was not there. And we have introduced a 20 years policy term also, which means the maturity is only available after the policy term 20, where we have come up with a PPT of all options like 5, 7, 8, 10, and 12. So now we have a different policy term, and various premium payment term option has been added into. So this can be depending on customer's choice. Even some customers are looking for the long term by paying short term. So this option is available. So customer might say, I want a maturity at 20 years. I will pay only for 5, 7, 8 years. Earlier it was option not available. Now it is available. Now the second most important, like minimum premium highlighted, but I'm sure it is completely depending on customer's life goal. We should not focus on the minimum premium. However, the maximum premium has been revised drastically. We always thought that many of our customer wanted to pay higher than 1 lakh premium, but it was not available earlier. Now, since the post guidelines has been changed, and the post guidelines says the maximum sum assured allowed is 25 lakh, and since then the maximum premium allowed in this post goal suraksha plan now is 2.5 lakh. Maximum premium allowed 2.5 lakh in post goal suraksha plan, which means if a customer age 50 55 years and customer are taking 2.5 lakh premium, it is completely non-medical, and the plan gives a guaranteed maturity corpus. Now this become a very lucrative option. Even age, I just repeat the same, even if the customer's age 50 and above, 45 and above, till 55 years, up to premium 2.5 lakh in pos goal suraksha, 2.5 lakh rupees, and that will be non-medical to the customer, and maturity is still guaranteed. Now those customer whom we have sold earlier 1 lakh rupees, अगर जिन कस्टमर को पहले हम 1 लाख रुपए दे चुके हैं, still with those customer we can give additionally 1.5 lakh rupees. सो जिन कस्टमर को हम 1 लाख दे चुके हैं उनको भी हम एडिशनली 1.5 लाख रुपए दे सकते हैं इन पोस्ट गोल सुरक्षा, एंड स्टिल इट विल बिकम अ नॉन मेडिकल प्लान.
So in the same policy, it will be allowed, right, Milan?
Yes, it is in the same policy. We need
Because
to
the
mention,
policies are issued, no, since it's an OTC.
yeah. Since the policy, if any customer's policy issued with the 1 lakh rupees, with the same client, we can go back and say now you can take additionally 1.5 lakh, which was not earlier.
Okay.
Right, so that's even that 1.5 lakh again become a non-medical for the customer. So that's a USP of the plan. For any age customer 50 55 without medical a traditional plan, that's something lucrative. Now people are looking for kind of same kind of plan. That's the main changes. Policy term has been introduced of 20 years with all PPT options. In 15-year policy term, the new PPT of 8 has been introduced. Most important, the maximum premium has been introduced to now 2.5 lakh. Earlier it was 1 lakh. So now that's the revision. That's the main USP. That's the changes you can see in this plan. Maturity benefits remains the same, like if customer paid all the regular premium, depending upon the premium and the guaranteed addition. So it is remains the same. Uh, Guaranteed addition, we have highlighted all different tables now here. I will show you the IRR also in the Excel sheet so that maybe you really you can get an answer. Now the even for the PT of 15 and PPT 12 on a 15 years, you can say in this plan the maturity can go higher as high as 51 lakh also. So depending on age, I repeat, now the maturity can go up to 51 lakh if the premium is 2.5 lakh. And for the PPT of 20 years, where customer is choosing to pay 8, 10, and 12, the maturity definitely go higher than 51 lakh. It can go even up to 68 lakh if customer is paying 2.5 lakh premium. So now there is no limitations of 20, 25 lakh maturity, which was earlier there. Now someone can plan to become a half crore pati or maybe nearest to crore pati with this plan as well. Death benefits, there is no changes in the death benefit. However, just wanted to re-emphasize on the death benefit. In case of unfortunate death of life assured, we have a lock-in period of 90 days, waiting period of 90 days from the issuance. So if customer dies within the 90 days from the commencement of risk, if customer dies due to naturally, then only the premium will be paid back. 100% premium will be paid back. However, this is not applicable if customer dies due to accident. So if customer dies due to accident or customer dies after 90 days of the policy issuance, 100% sum assured will be available. And anytime the death benefit is 10 times of annualized premium or 105% of total premium paid or sum assured, whichever is high, the same plan with the same benefit, there is no changes in this. Death benefits remains the same. However, the death benefit can go even up to 25 lakh because the maximum premium become 22.5 lakh. So here is an example: if customer dies after during the policy term premium payment term, the 100% sum assured paid to the nominee. If customer dies during the policy waiting period, in that case within 90 days, if customer dies other than accident, only the 100% premium paid, which is total premium paid. Here is an example. And here is an example of various annualized premium, PT and PPT. I just would like to skip this slide because I will show you a detailed Excel sheet where I have calculated, including the maturity benefit IRR as well. So now this option is available. Surrender, there is no changes. Loan is allowed, which is 75% of surrender benefit after completion of surrender value. Once it start accruing the surrender benefit, and we may take loan rate of interest is 9% per annum, compounded half yearly. All premium payment modes are available. Tax benefit under ETC 1010 is applicable here, and rest there is nothing changed. So suicide, I'm sure everyone knows that if customer dies due to suicide from the 12 months from the date of commencement, 80% of premium paid, and the GST is 4.5 percentage first year, second year onwards 2.25 percentage, and assignment nomination is as per provision of section 3839 of Insurance Act 1938. Let me show you the IRR part. This will be an really eye-catching for everyone, and I hope the slide is Excel is visible to each one of you. Trupti, is it visible? Anyone please confirm whether it is visible? The Excel sheet is visible?
Yes, yes, it is visible.
Okay, okay.
It's
So
visible.
now, okay, so here I have shown, I have calculated the IRR of all PT PPT combination. If I can just little enlarge, it may be okay. Here I have shown the 15 and 5 PT PPT combination where you can see the IRR here. The range is 5.47. For 15.7, I have calculated for all age 18 to 24, 35, 25 to 34, 35 to 45, and 46 to 45. For 15.7, which means 15 is the policy term and premium payment term is 7, 5.8% IRR comes for the age customer 18 to 24. For 15.8, the highest IRR comes is 5.7, 5.4 for age up to 25 to 34. For 1510, again the IRR is approximately 5.75, 5.35, and 1512 again it is also in the range of approximately 5.7 is the highest, and 4.73 is the lowest for the age 46 to 55. So IRR you may see that it is in the range of 5.4 से लेके 5.8 तक का range जाता है. However, it is little lesser for age 46 and above. Moving on, the policy term 20, even for 20, where the PPT is 7, 7, 8, and 10, you may see the good IRR. The IRR comes to even 5.82, 5.85, and 5.86 in the various 18 to 24 category customer. But even for 25 to 35, 5.54, selective 5.57, the IRR comes. And in any case, it is not beyond 5.4. So in any case, you may see the IRR upswing. You may see the guarantee is higher. As I said earlier, that someone can decide the maturity above 50 lakh. Here you can see in this slide, 25 lakh, 2 lakh 5, 2 lakh 50,000 is a premium if I consider, and 20 policy term and 8 is a PPT. The maturity comes to 51 lakh also. And for beyond this, the maturity is definitely 60 lakh plus in this example. So if someone now thinking about 50 plus maturity, this can be a right plan. Someone who is looking for even age 50, 55 years, non-medical plan, this is the right plan. If someone who is looking for the tax benefit, even if age at older age, this plan gives you a guaranteed maturity along with the tax benefit. In any case, the summation on death is a 10 times minimum you can consider. So that's the overall changes in the post goal Suraksha plan. You may see an addition of policy term, which is 20, addition of premium payment term, which is 8 years, and 5, 7, 8, 10, 12 in all the policy term of 20 years. And now you can think of maturity can be higher of above 50 lakh, 60 lakh also, depending upon the age, policy term, and premium payment term. So this can be in right, and revise post goal suraksha plan started selling in the market. So that's all about the post goal Suraksha plan with revision. So now, if someone wanted to ask Trupti, they can unmute and then ask question on post goal Suraksha.
Team, if you have any question, can you write on the chat box? If I unmute everybody, Milan, then it becomes chaotic.
Yeah, perfectly okay.
Team, any questions, please?
Trupti, how do you see the changes in the post goal Suraksha plan?
Yeah, it's a wonderful OTC product. Instead of taking an FD and locking and paying tax also. So I find it good, and it's good that you guys have increased the sum insured plus the premium
Right,
amount. And you are also giving us the facility of for the existing POS Gold Suraksha to increase their sum insured.
right, right.
So it's a good product compared to FD. It's definitely a good product, and there is cover of life also. So,
Obviously, right, right.
team, any questions? Yes, Gaurav, you have any question?